Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So if you watch my videos, then you know I use rosemary essential oil on my scalp and I made a mistake. I thought I will do this video, maybe it will help somebody. So what I used to do was I used to take water, 2 pumps of shampoo, and I used to add 3 drops of rosemary essential oil in a foam maker, and then I used to use it on my scalp, and that's how I used to shampoo my scalp and my hair. You guys, I added, it's just this idea came in my brain. I was like, instead of always adding 3 drops, why not adding rosemary essential oil in this shampoo? So, rosemary essential oil, just like every other essential oil, it's very concentrated. I added too much. I added, okay, it was this much shampoo. I added 50 drops. Big mistake. Too much. I added too much. So as you can see, it's not transparent anymore. This shampoo is transparent, but it's not transparent anymore. I never experienced any irritation using rosemary essential oil before when I was taking only 3 drops. But when I added 50 drops, oh my god, my scalp was on fire. I've never in my life experienced this much itchiness. Oh my god, that itch was so bad I couldn't sleep and I just wanted to shave my head. The itchiness was so bad. So I stopped using this immediately and I started using this shampoo. This is from Burt's Bees. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. This is a baby shampoo. This is fragrance free and SLS free. It's really gentle, but it didn't help at all. Then, because the itch was so bad, I went to a doctor. I couldn't sleep. Oh my god, that I can't even explain in words. That itch was just so bad. So I went to a doctor. They recommended me this medicated shampoo for photonic tar. This is for itchy and flaky scalp. This is a scalp treatment. This has 5% cool tar, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, and 2% salicylic acid. Both of these ingredients help with dead skin cells. They remove dead skin cells and they make your skin more sensitive and they make your skin sensitive to the sun as well. So I was really surprised that this doctor recommended me this medicated shampoo with these ingredients, but they are a doctor, they know better than me. So I started using it. I used it 2 times and oh my god, my scalp was on fire. This made it even worse. My scalp was just so irritated and I just didn't know what to do. Shout out to my mother. She recommended me this homemade hair mask. I used it 5 times so far. I use it 2 times a week, and my scalp is absolutely fine now. I started using rosemary essential oil again. I started doing the method that I was doing before, taking shampoo, 3 drops, and using it on my scalp. And my scalp is absolutely fine doing that method. I'm not using this anymore because this is just really irritating. It was a really bad idea adding way too many drops. And I'm sharing this with you guys because I don't want anybody else to make the same mistake. I think in 500 ml bottle, maybe 30 drops will be fine. I mean, this was only this much shampoo and I added 50 drops. That was just way too much. So yeah, I started using rosemary essential oil again because my scalp is absolutely fine now. So I'm doing the old method that I used to do, 3 drops of rosemary essential oil and shampoo. So let's talk about the mask that my mother recommended that worked really well for me. I live in a country where everything DIY is really popular, but I never really cared. But this worked. So this is how you make this hair mask. You need 1 tablespoon of honey because honey is very soothing and very calming. You need 1 tablespoon of yogurt and you need 1 tablespoon of aloe vera. Aloe vera is really soothing and really calming as well. You can take plant aloe vera, or you can use the bottled one. It doesn't matter. Sometimes I use the plant one, and when I'm really lazy, I use the bottle one. At the end of this video, I will share with you guys how to remove that yellow thing from plant aloe vera. It's really important to remove the yellow part because that yellow part can be really irritating for some people. So make sure to watch that part. I will leave it at the end of this video. So you need 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon yogurt, and 1 tablespoon aloe vera. Mix it well, put it on your scalp, focus on your scalp. You can use it on your hair as well. It make your hair really silky and smooth, but focus it on your scalp and leave it on your scalp for 30 minutes. Then you can use a mild shampoo. I was using this fragrance free and SLS free baby shampoo. Then you can use a mild shampoo to remove the yogurt, honey, and aloe vera. And I used it 5 times so far. I'm using it 2 times a week. And oh my god, this worked so well for me. My scalp is absolutely fine now. It was really stupid of me to add 50 drops of rosemary essential oil in this much shampoo. It was really stupid of me. It was a big mistake, and the itch was just so bad. So I will definitely recommend you to stick with 3 drops method, and I will stick with that as well. Shampoo and 3 drops. That's it. And definitely give this hair mask a try. It's very soothing and very calming, and it feels amazing. It makes your hair really silky, really smooth. If you use a baby shampoo, because baby shampoos they don't add a lot of moisturizing ingredients in baby shampoos, and sometimes baby shampoos can make your hair really dry. I hope I'm making sense. Like lifeless. Sometimes baby shampoos make your hair lifeless because they don't add dimethicone and glycerin, all those moisturizing ingredients. So try this hair mask and make your hair really silky and really smooth. And if you have itchy scalp, definitely give it a try. I think you will really enjoy this. This hair mask worked really well for me. I also noticed, I shared with you guys before, that my scalp is really oily. I noticed my scalp is not that oily anymore. It's a lot more balanced now. So I definitely recommend you to give this hair mask a try. It's very soothing, very calming. If you have itchy scalp, this will help you because it helped me as well. Oh my god, I can't even explain. My scalp was on fire. It was so irritated. Essential oils are very concentrated, so you will always have to be very careful with them. It was my mistake. I added way too much essential oil in my shampoo, and in future I will stick with that 3 drop method. That worked best for me. My scalp is absolutely fine now, and I started using rosemary essential oil again. I'm sticking with that 3 drop method. So now I will show you guys how to remove that yellow part from aloe vera. So as you can see, there is this yellow liquid in aloe vera that we will remove, because if you use aloe vera with this liquid in, it burns your skin so bad. So the first thing I do is I cut both sides of aloe vera. Then I cut them into small pieces and I dip them in water for 5 minutes. As you can see, the water is yellowish now, and I repeat this step for 3 to 4 times. I change water and I repeat that step for 3 to 4 times. As you can see, I changed water here. So this is how you remove that yellow part from aloe vera, which can be irritating for some people. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely give this mask a try. I think you will really enjoy this, especially if you have itchy scalp. I think you will love it. So definitely give it a try. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.